Staff Commodore Mike Persant. 2006, Chick Brammer. 2007, Janet Persant. 2014, and Adam Johnson. 2017. You know, we got a couple superstars here tonight, so I'm going to introduce two gentlemen. Jay Davis. Sergeant Jay Davis. Ryan. You guys come up, please. You know what? We live and work and play in a beautiful area.
Yeah.
And this marina is near and dear to all our members and another 1,000 boaters. And these two gentlemen, along with other staff, these two sergeants keep us safe. And these two walk the walk and they talk the talk. So I'm going to have to tell a short story about Sergeant Nunez. Just recently, in the middle of the night, when nobody expected it, they got a call. Two fishermen had capsized in the entrance to the marina, which is a very dangerous area. You know, we got rocks on both sides. Well, immediately finding this boat in the middle of the night, Sergeant Nunez did what he had to do. He dove in the water. He pulled one of the fishermen off the rocks, swam back to the boat, put him on the boat. Then he swam back to another fisherman, pulled him off the rocks, and because of this wind and the rain or the waves and the current, he had to take him the other direction towards the beach for 200 yards.
Wow.
Oh. So what do you think of that, huh? Thanks a lot, you guys. Now, I would like to introduce our board of directors and our bridge. We've got Ken Wetzel, he's our membership director right there. He's big on membership. He'll probably get half of you to join tonight. He's going to say a few words. After him, Mark Malaby. He's our fleet captain. He's a racer. He's well known up and down the coast. He's beat a lot of people. He's on a lot of list of other boats that want to take him down. He's fast. And I got Director Ron Dreyer. He's heading up our youth program. We've got some charter schools here now. We've got the youth out here sailing every Monday morning. It's a high school accredited course. And of course we have our youth program in the Sabbaths all summer long when you come down here and you see those little boats floating on the water with one kid in them. And we've got two instructors that follow them around the marina.